Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this Keto Broccoli Casserole. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're going to make a Keto Broccoli Casserole. It's kind of like, I guess, your traditional broccoli rice casserole, except we're going to make it keto, of course. We're going to use cauliflower rice instead of regular rice, and some other things to make it keto and super delicious. First, we're going to get started with our cheese sauce that we're going to use to coat all of our delicious vegetables. I've got 3 tablespoons of butter and 3/4 of a cup of diced onion. You know, I'll use frozen onion. It's the best thing ever. And we're going to cook the onion until they're translucent in this butter. Just for some flavor. Butter and onion, so good. Cooked together, so good. So, we're going to keep on, or we're going to start cooking this until they're all soft. Okay, our onions are looking nice, so we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic. We're going to let this cook just briefly. And now I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. And we're going to melt this in. And I'm going to add in 2 cups of heavy cream. And I'm just going to stir this until the cream cheese is melted. Okay, we've got our cream cheese melted into our sauce, and now I'm going to add in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. We're going to stir this in. I'm going to turn off the heat. I just want this to melt very gently so the cheese doesn't break, the sauce doesn't break. Okay, we've got our cheese sauce looking really good. I'm going to season it with some salt and some pepper. Okay, I'm going to set this aside. Oop. And I've got a casserole dish here. I'm going to go ahead and add my broccoli and cauliflower rice. We've got 6 cups of fresh broccoli cut into small pieces. And we've got 2 cups of cauliflower rice. Just going to toss these together carefully and get that cauliflower rice in there. That looks good. And now I'm going to pour this amazing, delicious sauce carefully over the broccoli and cauliflower. Lots of delicious sauce. And get to the corners. Doesn't this look amazing? But we're not done yet. We've got a topping we're going to put on top. We've got a half a cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. So we're going to mix all of this together with a fork. It's going to get a little crumbly. It's going to make a really nice flavorful topping for it's going to be like crunchy, crispy topping for our broccoli rice casserole. Okay, so now we can just pour this on top. Okay, this is ready for the oven. It's going to bake in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, here is our casserole out of the oven, and it looks amazing. So let's serve some up into this bowl. You see, it is so saucy and creamy. Look at that. Perfect amount of sauce. Oh, wow. Yum. Look at that. Okay, time for a bite. It is hot. It is so good. The broccoli is still crunchy a little bit. It's not overcooked and mushy. And that crunchy topping has just a little salty kick from the Parmesan. So good. So you're definitely going to want to check out this recipe. And if you're looking for something to make this complete meal, I would recommend something in the air fryer, like my air fryer steak and mushroom bites. If you are on YouTube, you can click this box right here for that recipe. Or if you're on Facebook, you can just go to my website, jenniferbands.com, and search for air fryer steak, and it will pop right up. And check out those recipes. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.